lot quieter across the area than just a couple of hours ago, including this one thunderstorm cell that decided it was going to go the wrong way, move back towards the north and the west, dumping some heavy rain right almost parallel to Pellissippi Parkway or 140 on the south side of 40 earlier this evening. So we're fine now, even dry right now in the Gatlinburg area, Ripley's Aquarium of the Smokies, but it's still mild unless you've picked up one of those random showers. Gatlinburg 75, Maryville 78, 80 still in Oak Ridge, but 74 for Knoxville, 77 in Loudon, 73 already for Pikeville and Crossville. But not cool, right? There's still a lot of moisture in the atmosphere, so a sticky to tropical feel for really everybody across the board the way it's shaping up. Enough so that fog will try to develop again tonight, just like last night into this morning. Right now, pretty spotty. Looks like southwest Virginia, portions of southeast Kentucky, but should be a little bit thicker, especially north and west of Knoxville as we head into early on our Friday morning. Temperature-wise, we'll start out upper 60s to right around 70 degrees, and then tomorrow should be a little bit warmer than today. We were close to 90 today. I think we're just above that tomorrow. 91 in Knoxville, 91 in Pikeville, but 87 in Gatlinburg. What I really think you're going to notice a little more so, it's more humid. Heat index values upper 90s for tomorrow, and we're going to see those climb as we go through the weekend. Quiet start, 6 predictors showing maybe a little bit of cloud cover or fog. Otherwise, as we hit midday, there may be a random storm here or there, but again, just not as great a coverage tomorrow as even what we saw today. So very few pop-up storms expected. This is 4 o'clock through 7. If you do see one, it'll be just like it has been the past couple nights, right? You'll see a lot of rain in a short amount of time, and then they'll be gone. This is 7 o'clock through 11, and will be much quieter 24 hours from now heading into Saturday morning. Speaking of the weekend, about 91 for Saturday, 89 for Sunday. Spotty storm chances as well for Saturday. I think higher terrain's more likely. What I mean by that is the mountains plateau, slightly better chance, but still don't cancel outdoor plans. Moisture does start to creep back into the area Sunday, so slightly better chance of scattered storms really anywhere. And here's what I'm talking about. We're kind of like looking at using an X-ray to look inside the atmosphere, look in the clouds. By later tomorrow evening, not a ton of moisture across the area. That's why I think we'll see lower rain chances, and much the same into Saturday. We're starting to get a little bit more moisture back into the area, but watch what happens by later Sunday and then especially Monday. This is really going to be building across the area. Top left-hand corner, that's a cold front that's going to be trying to get into our area. So think of it like wringing out what moisture is left in the atmosphere, right? So we'll see rain chances going up, especially later Sunday into Monday across the area. That's going to be our better chance for seeing the showers and storms as we go into next week, because again, there's just so much moisture that's stuck in the atmosphere, and that's not going anywhere anytime soon. But that front that I was talking about kind of moving through the area Monday, I think it drops just far enough south Tuesday, maybe near Chattanooga, that we see a brief break in some wet weather chances. But Wednesday, Thursday, it lifts back to the north and squeezes out more moisture, bro.